Okay, what is the Sostenuto pedal? I think it's one of the most overlooked features of a grand piano or a really good digital piano. It sustains certain notes, but doesn't sustain others. So let me show you how this works. First of all, you first have to press the notes you want to sustain and then press the pedal. You hold the notes you want to sustain, press the Sostenuto pedal. And now you're free to do other things. If I do this with the sustain pedal, there I get this incredible mush.
So just to clarify, this would be the Sostenuto pedal. That's usually the sustain pedal, and then you have the soft pedal here.
Now an example how I use the Sostenuto pedal with a piano sound. So obviously this takes a little practice to work the Sostenuto pedal. Sometimes I even work both pedals at the same time, the Sostenuto pedal with the left foot and the sustain pedal with the right foot, but I don't want to go too crazy here in this video. Now, behind me, the lower keyboard you see is a Privia, and you can buy a 3-pedal unit for it. It's really great, it has one cable, you plug it in, and you have all the 3 pedals of a grand piano. Now, I'm not selling Privia pianos, so you can use it probably with a Roland and a Yamaha as well.